Is it the right time to buy or sell NVIDIA stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into NVIDIA. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On January 5, 2024, our system identified NVIDIA as a buy candidate with a score of 1.70. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have seen an impressive gain of 46.91% since we first recommended NVIDIA as a buy candidate 27 days ago. This means an average return of 1.74% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a breakup at the top trend line at $726.31, as it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 47.35% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This translates to a possible return between 19.06% and 48.37%. Now, let's consider the 12-month trend. It suggests a significant 95.11% change in the stock's value over the next year, with a potential return between 37.34% and 95.82%. This means the stock's price range could be anywhere from $990.61 to $1,412.40 after a year. Our latest update on NVIDIA brings exciting news. The stock has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday's trading session. On Tuesday, February 13, 2024, the NVIDIA stock price experienced a slight decrease of -0.166%, dropping from $722.48 to $721.28. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $696.22 and a high of $734.49, showcasing a 5.5% variation. It's worth noting that the stock has seen positive growth in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a 14.9% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock, which can be interpreted as a positive indicator. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by -1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 60 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $43.03 billion. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $746.11, while the lowest price reached $204.21. Currently, the stock is trading at 3.33% below its 52-week high, standing at $24.83 lower than the peak price of $746.11, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for NVIDIA, the popular technology company. Let's start with the most recent rating. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave NVIDIA an overweight grade with a hold action. This means that they believe NVIDIA is performing well and recommend holding on to the stock. Moving on to Monday, February 5, 2024, Wells Fargo gave NVIDIA a buy grade with a hold action. This indicates that they recommend buying the stock while also advising to hold on to it. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Wedbush gave NVIDIA an outperform grade with a hold action. This suggests that they believe NVIDIA will outperform the market and recommend holding on to the stock. Looking back to Friday, January 19, 2024, Raymond James gave NVIDIA a strong buy grade with a hold action. This indicates a strong recommendation to buy the stock while also advising to hold on to it. Lastly, on Tuesday, January 16, 2024, KeyBank gave NVIDIA an outperform grade with a hold action. This suggests that they believe NVIDIA will outperform the market and recommend holding on to the stock. According to analysts, NVIDIA stock has received a strong buy rating across the board. The PE ratio and price-to-book ratio are both considered strong buy opportunities. Additionally, the stock is highly recommended for its return on investment. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for NVIDIA. The NVIDIA stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be support from the lines at $705.43 and $586. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals which may have an impact on the short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, February 12, 2024, and so far the stock has fallen by -0.166%. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that the volume of trading fell along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, we'll explore some intriguing signals for you to consider. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is currently showing a buy signal. Another signal worth noting is the pivots, indicating a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have recently given a buy signal, 21 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we can see a buy signal 28 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal from 28 days ago. Now, let's take a glance at the 12-month chart. The short moving average has shown a buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average confirms a buy signal from 70 days ago. In terms of the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 60 days ago. For more signals and detailed insights, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for NVIDIA. NVIDIA has found support from accumulated volume at $693.32. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock may experience significant volatility throughout the day, making it a higher risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock. Looking at recent data, NVIDIA's stock price moved $38.27 between its highest and lowest points, representing a 5.5% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.77%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for NVIDIA, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for February 21, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $4.51. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be examining the potential day trading levels for NVIDIA. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NVIDIA stands at $721.33. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. For those who already have a stake in the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, NVIDIA encounters its initial support level at $693.32. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. Analysts from multiple sources have given NVIDIA a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involved Stevens Mark A., who bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Taking into account the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated a negative insider power with a ratio of -33.468. In total, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $696.30, which represents a decrease of 3.46%. This particular stock is known for its high daily movements, which also means it carries a high level of risk. To further highlight the risk, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 80, indicating increased risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 1 day ago. Is NVIDIA stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe NVIDIA stock presents a buying opportunity in the short term due to positive signals and a general upward trend. We have upgraded our assessment from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. However, it's important to note that our systems indicate the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Wednesday, February 14th, we anticipate NVIDIA's opening price to be $717.33, a decrease of $3.95 from the previous day. Before we dive into today's topic, it's crucial to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always wise to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for the stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.